Okay, so this is one of the practices on YouTube that I mentioned that, well, I could use to practice my recognition. So I'm going to try to listen here. And props to Dr. DestructoBlade, whoever that is, for making this video and allowing me to practice. So that was 3 dots, 2 dots, then 1 dash, which the 3 dots would be S, then 1 dot, 1 dot, 1 dash. That would be U. And then dot, dash, dash, dot, that would be P. I do believe so. So that would be 3 dots exactly, which would be S, U, which is 2 dots, then 1 dash, then 1 dash, and then P, which is 1 dot, 2 dashes, then 1 dot. Yay.